Have you ever wondered if characters like Wolverine or Deadpool could ever be real? Well, the fact is not too far from the fiction.
These characters contrast not only in the story sense, but their differences actually reveal profound scientific principles separating cancer and regeneration.
Here are our two heroes.
But wait, it looks like our dynamic duo have gotten into another one of their fights. Those are some nasty injuries.
Let's start with Wolverine. His fight with Deadpool cost him an arm.
But fortunately, his mutant powers allow him to grow it back like it never even left.
Wolverine's controlled and reliable healing ability is an example of regeneration.
In science, regeneration is when the body repairs or regrows damaged cells, tissues, or even organs as they were.
Humans, famously, can lose the tips of their fingers and have them be replaced without a scar. This is different from regular healing, which often can leave a scar for serious or deep injuries, not truly reforming what once was.
Some animals, like axolotls, are excellent regenerators that can regrow entire limbs, just like Wolverine can recover from battle wounds.
When an axolotl loses a limb, a layer of tissue called a wound epidermis closes the injured sites. The wound epidermis sends signals to the cells below it to de-differentiate, turning from muscle, bone, and nerve cells into stem cells that can differentiate into whatever cells are missing from the arm. These newly formed stem cells bunch up and form a structure called the blastema, which returns the missing limb with no scarring, even restoring skin patterns that were present before. To put it simply, regeneration is special in that it takes place in a well-regulated, sequenced manner and can restore organs and limbs like they were never even lost.
One might think that getting us humans to heal like axolotls is just a matter of making our cells grow and divide more. But with that approach comes a major pitfall.
Deadpool also lost an arm during the fight, but he can actually grow it back. Deadpool's healing is more akin to what scientists would refer to as uncontrolled cell growth, or in other words, cancer.
When Deadpool receives an injury, his cells rapidly and disorderly proliferate to fill in the missing space. This can often result in grotesque, erratic restoration of his missing parts.
Normally, our body has strict rules about when cells should divide and when they should stop. But in cancer, those rules are broken. Cells keep dividing even when they shouldn't, which can lead to tumors and damage to healthy tissue.
Deadpool's cells are sort of like that, and that's probably why his healing can be a little erratic, often happening very fast and in strange proportions. While his ability does keep him alive, the chaotic nature of it is more akin to cancer as opposed to the controlled nature of regeneration.
How can studying about both cancer and regeneration help us non-mutants understand how to heal better from a serious injury? How can we extract the essence of Wolverine's regeneration without the carryover of Deadpool's cancer?
Axolotls, one of nature's prime regenerators, interestingly, are very resistant to cancer. They are able to recover lost limbs while putting on the appropriate brakes for cell proliferation.
Even more interestingly, they lack many of the well-known anti-cancer genes we have as humans. Perhaps they have genes we may not even know about. It is a mystery that scientists are working to resolve. But hopefully one day, we might awaken our own superpower to regeneration.